going to round off to the nearest whole number. First of all, we have to identify which is whole number, which is first decimal, which is second decimal. So, if we consider 13.827, before the decimal numbers are called whole number values. Whole number. Our whole number is 13. Here whole number is 58. Here 115. Here 11. Here 356. Whole numbers. Okay now. Now after the decimal, the first number is called first decimal. After the decimal, first number. It is 8. 8 is the first decimal. 2 is the first decimal. 5 is the first decimal. 0 is the first decimal place. 4 is the first decimal number. And after decimal, second number is called then? Yes, second decimal. And third number is called third decimal. So, what is the second decimal of this number? 3 is the second decimal. What is the third decimal? Here, what is the third decimal? 7 is the third decimal. What is the first decimal? 0. What is the second decimal? 5. Okay. Now, 13.827 we are going to round off to the whole number. We know whole number is 13. So, first we have to 13.8. 13.8 is between 13 and 14. 13 and 14 it is. So, in which number it is closer? 30 or 14? 13.8 means it is closer to 14. So, we can say it is closer to 14. And in earlier method also we have to consider the first decimal number. First decimal place we have to consider. Check whether it is 5 or more, then increase 1. More than 1, more than 8, more than 5. So increase 1, it become 14. Here less than 5, so it is 58. Here 5. So increase 1, 100, it become 116. And here 0, no change, it become 11. Here less than 5, so no change here, then it is 356. So, and in another way when we consider 58.23 is between 58 and 59, the closer value is 58. 115.567 is between 115 and 116. So, the closer value is 116. 11.019 is between 11 and 12, but it is closer to 11. 356.453 is between 356 and 357, but closer to 356. And in the first decimal place, so we know this is the first decimal place, therefore we have to consider the second decimal value. Second decimal values are 2, 3, 6, 1. Second decimal values. Then we have to check it is more than or less than. Less than, less than, more than, less than. If it is less, we don't want to change the previous number. What is our previous number? 13.8. No need to change. Next, it is less than, so no need to change. Previous number is 58.2. And The other one 6, it is more than 1. So more than 5. So change the number 115.6. And here 1, no change. So it is become 11.0, or we can say 11. And in other way also we can guess and write. It is 13.82. So 27, it is closer to 13.8. What are the between numbers? 13.82 and 13.83. So 13.8 to 7 is between 13.8 and 13.9. So it is closer to 13.8. Here 58.23 is between 58.2 and 58.3. It is closer to 58.2. And in the other one, second decimal place. So for the second decimal, shall we take the answer by guessing? Second decimal means this second value. So 13.56. 13.56 is 13.567 is between 13.56 and 13.57. It is closer 56, so it is closer to 13.57. And 391.235, it is close between 391.23 and 391.24. 23 and 24. So which is closer? It is, we have to take 24 because 5 halfway of that. 59.19 and 59.2 we must consider because our number is 59.192. So which number it is closer? It is closer 59.19. And the other one 38.706. Then between numbers are 38.70 and 38.71. So it is closer to 38.71. The other one is 100.923. Close between numbers are 100.92 and 100.93. So it is closer to 100.9. Or in other way, if it is second decimal place, we must consider the third number. So third number I will underline. Then here more than 5, so increase 1. 56 become 57. 13.57. Here also more than, it is 5, so increase 1. It become 391 point, this one become 24. Then here 2, so it is less than 59.19. Here 6 more than, so increase 1, 38.71. Less than, so 100.92. Now the numbers are given. Nearest whole number value, first decimal place, second decimal place we must consider. 11.237. Here whole number we must consider. So we will take the first decimals 2. it is less than, so no change, it become 11. Here 8, it will change, it is more, so it become 93. Less, no change, it is 7. Here 0, no change, it is 17. First decimal, so we must consider the second decimal place. 3, it is less than, so no change, 11.2. And here second decimal is 5, add 1, 92.9. Here the second is 7, have to change, 7.3 become 4, 7.4. Second decimal is 0, no change, so 17.0 or 17 you can say. And second decimal, so we must consider the third decimal place. Third decimal numbers, third is 7, it is more than 5, so increase 1, then it become 11.24. Here 5, have to add 1, 92.86. Here last number 2, no change, it is 7.37. Last number, third number is 9, more than 1, increase 1, then it becomes 17.01.